Hi guys, today we're going to fix the WhatsApp status not playing issue. First, try restarting your mobile phone. Most of the time, a quick restart can resolve minor glitches, including issues with WhatsApp statuses. Just turn your phone off and back on and check if the status plays normally after that. If restarting doesn't fix the issue, open the App Store. At the bottom right side, tap on the search icon to open the search bar. Here, you can look for WhatsApp to check for any updates that might fix the problem. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type WhatsApp and tap on the app when it appears in the results. This will take you to the WhatsApp page in the App Store, where you can see if an update is available. Once you're on WhatsApp's page in the App Store, look for the blue Update button. Tap it to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Updating usually fixes bugs and glitches, including the issue with statuses not playing. And that's it. After restarting your phone and updating WhatsApp, your status should play normally again. Simple steps like these can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and comment below if your WhatsApp statuses are working now. I'll see you in the next tutorial.